Hey guys, so here's something a little different for our channel. This is a device that number one has put together over the last couple of weekends here at the barn shop, and it's pretty much done, and she wants to show it off and show you what it does, and hopefully we'll gather a new group of viewers to the channel, and we're gonna have to make some more stuff like this, eh? You might remember number one from some of our previous videos. She's the operator on the golf cart and the lawn tractor for when we did the how to fix a golf cart or tractor tire with the tight seal or the fix-a-flat. So here, let's get number one to show this machine off and tell you what she did and how it works.
So this is a cup turner. Basically it's made to spin cups that we decorate and put resin on, so it allows the resin to cure evenly as it's drying without any drips. And basically we built a little box to house it, and we used some synchronous motors, which are basically microwave motors. These ones spin at 2.5 to 3 RPMs each, so it's
that's slow.
It is pretty slow.
Yeah.
We'll show you here, but basically they're all hooked up to this power bar that happens to have a switch for each plug. So this allows me to control each of these motors separately. So you can see here how it spins it. We've built a little brace sort of bracket here for it to help hold it up and keep it level. These ones, I need new arms made for it with more support inside. That's why these aren't level at the moment in the video, but it lets you to see it, so we can turn each of these on separately.
So it's a work in progress is what you're saying.
It'll probably still be a work in progress, yes.
You know what? Life is a work in progress, so don't feel bad. Can I tell a quick story about this power bar?
Absolutely.
So this power bar, guys, it's a really neat power bar. This actually came to me probably 10 years ago. My mother used to run a house, and she boarded international flight students at the airport over there. There's an airport just across that field you can see off in the distance. And they used to come from all over the world. And we had a Japanese fellow that stayed with us for a year or two. And when he moved out, he left this power bar. And it is a very handy little power bar. And I thought it would be perfect for number one's project. So now it has a new home. Lives in the box.
Yeah, so basically to build this, as I said, we have the synchronous motors, and then we have a piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe with a dowel glued inside it. The dowel has a hole in the center so that we can put it on the little metal rod piece that sticks out from the motor, and then we have a little pin to hold it on. And then we just used some PVC pipe fitting attachments.
Plug.
And then up here are little holes drilled in just so that the extra arms, as the cups are waiting for their next step, they can sit there and have a place out of way. And
pretty cool.
that's about it.
So maybe we'll do another video down the road of this thing in action with some wet cups on it.
Sure.
Yeah, at the shop. Number one's got a little shop she's rented and set up. We're gonna take this down there this afternoon and put it in and set up another work shelf for her, and maybe we'll throw the camera on and we'll start our own channel. Maybe we'll do that. But anyways, guys, this is a little project for number one. Hopefully it's not the last. Seems like she had fun building it, and maybe we'll build something else with her in the next few weeks. We'll see once we get done with all of these pieces of power equipment and lawnmowers and stuff like that. All right, so hit the subscribe button and check us out down the road on some other stuff that we do. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.